Welcome back to The Untold Truth. Today, we're diving into an exciting and important topic: dating tips for senior men. Whether you're getting back into the dating scene after years or just looking to brush up your skills, we've got you covered with practical advice that'll boost your confidence and help you form genuine connections. Let's jump right in. The first thing to remember: confidence is attractive at any age. Don't let the number of candles on your birthday cake hold you back. Senior dating is all about embracing your life experience and showing up as your authentic self. Forget the idea that dating is only for the young. It's your time to shine. Think of your life story as a strength. Your experiences, wisdom, and personality make you unique. Women appreciate men who are comfortable in their own skin. So, own it. Next up, let's talk about style. You don't need to dress like a teenager, but keeping your wardrobe fresh and modern is key. A sharp blazer, well-fitted jeans, and clean shoes can go a long way in making a great first impression. Also, consider grooming. Trim that beard, get a stylish haircut, and invest in some skincare. You'd be surprised how a polished appearance can boost your confidence and make you stand out. Dating today is very different from 20 or 30 years ago. Be open to trying new things, whether it's online dating, speed dating, or joining social groups to meet people organically. Apps like eHarmony or Our Time cater specifically to mature singles, making it easier to connect with someone who shares your interests and values. When it comes to dating, listening is one of the most underrated skills. Instead of dominating the conversation, focus on getting to know your date. Ask open-ended questions and show genuine interest in her thoughts, passions, and life experiences. Remember, dating isn't about impressing someone with your accomplishments. It's about building a connection. There's no rush, and no one's keeping score. Take your time getting to know someone before diving into a serious relationship. At this stage in life, it's about quality over quantity. Don't feel pressured to move faster than you're comfortable with. A solid foundation takes time, and that's okay. Common interests are the glue that holds relationships together. Look for activities or hobbies you both enjoy, whether it's gardening, traveling, or attending cultural events. Shared experiences create lasting memories and give you both something to look forward to. Finally, be upfront about what you're looking for. Are you interested in companionship, a casual relationship, or something more serious? Honesty not only shows integrity, but also saves time for both parties. Women appreciate men who are clear about their intentions and respectful of their boundaries. Dating in your senior years can be exciting, fulfilling, and even life-changing. With these tips in mind, you're all set to navigate the modern dating world with confidence and charm. Remember, it's never too late to find love or companionship. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might find it helpful. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or tips for senior dating. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching The Untold Truth, and we'll see you next time.